Hello, how are ya guys? I said last time I got few followers, so I decided to start new video today, and this time I gonna play one game that I suppose everyone know very well. This game called the Bee Swarm Simulator, and I just hope inside the game, and as you see I got 200 honey from gift. Yeah, and now let's open our first egg. I hope it's gonna be something cool. Let's go. What? Okay, okay, that's that was amazing. Like, let's level up it into no, not now. But holy epic bee! I'm lucky. Whoa, whoa. Oh, I'm already full. Okay. Between guys, this one it's not fake Bee Swarm Simulator. It's original one. So yeah, I'm literally lucky. Wait. Wait. Is it like that way so easy to play this game? Or I'm just lucky? I don't understand. But fine. Let's upgrade. Nah, can't buy something else. Yeah, this game is kinda difficult to play because grinding games like this one isn't for weak. Oh, wait. I need this. I need this. Let's go. I just... Oh my... Let's go. I'm so lucky. Just... Wait a minute. This one was awesome. I got 2 royal jelly from this guy, and I give you a lot of thanks and respect. Like, just very cool. I came back and I have 8, no, I gonna have 9,000 honey from the start. Like, that's already a lot. And let's buy another bee. Just because why not? Oh my, so lucky. And come on bee, I didn't expect any cool one. And just, it would be very fun. No, it won't be. Rare one, and let's grade up another rare bee. Well, that's awesome. And let's level up each one. I don't wanna to use any of those things because I need it for crafts, so I won't use it now. Well, I suppose I gonna buy a few things, and after this I will come back when I gonna have enough bees to open new area and I need just one more bee. Yeah, I'll come back soon. Well, I came back after a few minutes of work and I didn't get fifth one, but I get another rare bee from jelly that I got over here, and I see that I have got oh, please someone can join and help me with this one because I don't want to lose it. I really don't want to lose this one because this this beanstalk actually pretty rare and I gonna get another few jelly from this. So please help me, someone. Oh yeah, I forgot. I just don't need to leave this server, and in other things, this beanstalk won't disappear. It will disappear only if you will complete these requirements. Collect 2,100 pollen, and I need. Bro, are you kidding me? This 6-7? Yeah, I know this meme, but I don't like it for real. I don't know why, but it goes so viral inside YouTube and TikTok or any other social media. So, like, almost everyone just saying it randomly without knowing its meaning. Like, what does it mean? For me, things that exist for just to be fun are fine, but really? These two numbers? Wait, please, 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 let me. Can I? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come here. So many things. Okay, thanks to the guy. Thanks a lot. Now I can return to the base, and finally I got 50B and also another one. Yeah, finally I can go up, and let's do this one. Fine, let's go. First I need to complete this one. Yeah, let's go. And what I have to do? Treat my bees. Okay, so I just need to. Oh wait, I have this. Let's level up this one, and then I'm gonna feed this. Take some candy. Fine, it's still gonna know. I would like to use Moon-Charm, but I need it for crafts. Wait a minute. Nah, for me it's more useful to level up my base right now than to craft some like moon beige or something. It's way more better to do this thing. Oh, I need to use another thing, not treat my bee with any thing, like, yeah. But fine, I'll do it next time. Thanks. I'm gonna go. Also, Fun fact about bees: the rarest bees that exist in real life, it's blue bee that literally have blue color. It's one of the rarest creature in the world between. And another fact about bees that the honey that you are making, it's not what do you think. Like, it's something another, but still. I don't care whatever it is, just it doesn't make something bad, right? Well, it doesn't make something bad only if you don't consume too much honey. Everything can be dangerous if you use it by a bad way. And nothing. Nothing. Fine. Let's just kill this bee. I mean spider. And let's take the task. Oh, before I take the task, let's kill. Nope. Wait. No, don't kill them, please. I need them alive. I need to kill one ladybug. Let's go and kill this one that I got over here. And also let's farm some honey, I think. Okay, guys. See ya when I'm gonna have something interesting. And now, see ya. Also, guys, here comes a tip that I found. Don't use items like treats, sunflower seeds, strawberry, pineapple, or blueberry, or anything from there before you actually gonna know what to do. Like, I have a quest where I need to feed 10 treats, and treat it's this one thing that are. This is, I think, uncookie for B. And let's. No, I wanted to level up. No, I can't level up. And let's feed one. Yeah, let's go. Fine. I need 3 more treats before I'm gonna complete this quest. So, well. Oh, also. Let's take some pollen, I think. Nah. I need to do my quest, so yeah, I need to do things. And as I said, I need you to be alive, Reno Bitly. Take this. Oh yeah, so satisfying when you have like already few things that are really good from start. I just playing few minutes, for real, and I have so much things. Wow, I'm playing with someone that has good things. Nah, I can't jump over here. Nah, my pollen is full. Let's go. I don't know how many times this video take, but I think it's gonna take about an half an hour, and everything else it's just moments when I don't. Oh yeah, boots give you also insta pollen collection when you pass by when you touch an flower. Yeah. Well, see ya later when I gonna have next one unlocked.